Hey everybody, Jeremy here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to replace your side view mirror glass. Always know the manufacturer's specifications for your vehicle before you get started, so you know exactly what you're getting into. If you're not completely comfortable doing the job yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. If your mirror assembly as a whole is still intact, but the glass is cracked, broken, or missing, start by finding your replacement mirror. This will help you determine whether the backing plate behind the glass needs to come out as well. If your replacement glass is a snap-on unit, you'll remove the old backing plate and whatever bits of glass are left attached to it as a whole. If the mirror is heated, you'll need to detach the wires involved before removing the old backing plate. If your replacement glass is a stick-on mirror, you'll want to remove as much of the old glass as possible so that you can use double-sided tape or epoxy to attach the new mirror to the backing plate. If you're replacing a stick-on mirror, follow the specific directions for your adhesive to attach the mirror to the backing plate. Once the mirror is attached, make sure you're able to adjust it as needed. Use some painter's masking tape to hold the mirror in place while adhesive sets if necessary. Reattach any wires you detached to the new unit and snap it into place. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.